Something weird is happening at Samsung. Their next big update, One UI 8, is showing up in all the places it's not supposed to. Mid-range phones like the Galaxy A34 and A35. Already testing it. Watches that shouldn't even be part of the first wave, spotted on servers. And after the chaotic mess that was One UI 7, this sudden activity has people wondering, is Samsung trying to fix its image fast? Or is this just another storm brewing? Welcome back, viewers. James here. Don't forget to share this with your fellow tech nerds, and subscribe for more updates like this every week. So let's start with the surprise twist. One UI 8 isn't just for the latest foldables anymore. The Galaxy A35 5G has already popped up in Samsung's for server running an early build version A33 G5 if you like decoding codenames. And get this, it just showed up on Geekbench too, pulling a solid 27 in single core and 2520 in multi-core. That's not just some minor back-end shuffle. Samsung is deep into testing already. The Galaxy A34 is in the game too, spotted with early firmware version A346B XXUE3. That's the mid-ranger from early 2023. Normally, these models sit in the second or third wave of updates, but this time they're front and center. Why? That's where things get interesting. Because if you zoom out for a second, Samsung's whole approach to One UI 8 feels different. Unlike One UI 7, which tried to impress with flashy AI tricks and bold design changes, and crashed hard doing it, One UI 8 is moving in stealth mode. It's not promising magic. It's quietly rebuilding trust, and it kind of has to. Remember that bug from One UI 7 that locked Galaxy S20 FE users out of their own phones? Total disaster. Samsung had to pull the update completely and scramble to fix it. Rollout stalled. People got confused. It was everything a software launch shouldn't be. And to make it worse, a security bug exposed private gallery photos to public AI albums. Not great when you're selling Knox level protection. This time, no loud promises. One UI 8 is all about stability. Subtle design makes smarter transitions. And yes, real upgrades under the hood like quantum encryption for Wi-Fi and suspicious app behavior alerts. Samsung wants this to feel less like a show, more like a proper fix. And the fact that A-series phones are already in testing, that's Samsung trying to prove it's serious, before users even start complaining. Now let's talk about watches. One UI 8 watch beta is already rolling out quietly in the background. We're seeing signs of it on Samsung's servers with version R95 Kyohi 1 ZYG2 right now. The beta is technically limited to the Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra in the US and Korea, but code slits have noticed it's creeping toward older models too, like the Watch 5 and Watch 6 series. That rollout could start any minute now. It's like Samsung knows it messed up last time and is now trying to pull off a redemption arc without making a scene. It's low-key but fast. Strategic but quiet. And if this actually works, it could be one of Samsung's smoothest update cycles ever. But here's the catch. Rolling out to more devices earlier means more room for bugs. And if Samsung gets even one thing wrong, users won't be so forgiving this time. One UI 7 already burned through their patience. So One UI 8 has to nail it from day one. Still, early signs are promising. Samsung's refining the update experience for different devices, foldables, tablets, flagships, and now mid-rangers. They're not racing to impress with surface-level flair. Instead, they're going full cleanup mode, tightening the code, patching the cracks, and making sure One UI finally feels as smooth as the hardware it runs on. And let's be honest, that's what users really want. Not gimmicks, not broken BS. Just reliable, stable updates that feel good to use. If Samsung pulls this off, One UI 8 won't need hype. It'll speak for itself. So, is this the calm before the storm, or the start of Samsung's software comeback? We'll find out soon. But one thing's clear, the company is moving fast, staying quiet, and trying to avoid another One UI disaster. Let's hope it works.